Support high voltage output. Low voltage is 0 to 50 volts. High voltage is 50 volts to 90 volts. Parameters can be adjusted remotely through the P01, P03, P13 tablets. Drive compressors via DP901 and P01. The first step is to connect the compressor through VSI. The second step is to connect the high-pressure output of DP901 to the compressor. The third step is to run the tablet's compressor driver software. Turn on the switch and adjust the output voltage to the voltage required for compressor operation. Press the output button. Compressor runs successfully.